My name is Jacob Griffin, 24 years old. This is at Griffin Design, at my hot rod shop in Valley Center, California. My past project I built last year was a 1927 Roadster that I did full custom on. Got top 40 ballot builder with it, which is top 10 young gun. It's with a 1200 horsepower blown V6 with a 471 blower on it. So it's a fun little toy, and now I'm on to the next one. Here behind me is a 1975 Gremlin that I've fully customized, trying to make a Gremlin actually look cool. Those Gremlins in my eyes is one of the worst cars ever made. So now it's time to make it look killer and go from there. Inspiration for this build is, for one, to try to make the Gremlin be different, and I'm always the one to try to have something out of the box, and so this is where we go this year, and we'll see what happens. I choose Heatshield Products for my builds because it's one of the best products on the market to eliminate heat to get into the engine compartment, as well as adding horsepower to components that need to stay cool. Me and Shane are installing lava shield on the Firewall, as well as there's multiple stuff going on underneath, but that'll be after.
Okay, hey, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products, and we're on location here at Griffin Design. I'm with
Jacob Griffin, father and son hot rod shop out of Griffin Design.
And we have our lava shield, and we're going to be installing that on the Gremlin over here on the Firewall, and we'll use a little bit extra down through the trans tunnel as well. So I've already made a pattern out of some thick paper. Easy, just cut it out. And we're gonna use that to transfer to our lava shield. We'll cut, and then we'll test fit, and then we'll stick on. Okay, so we have our piece of lava shield all cut from our template that we made. Now we're gonna go for a test fit, and then we'll peel and stick. There we go, so we have our lava shield install complete. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe.